In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to Squarespace. A clear privacy policy helps visitors understand how you collect, use, and protect their data, and many regions require it by law. Have your privacy policy text ready to paste, and let's build a clean, dedicated page for it. From your Squarespace dashboard, open the website area to access your site's content. Head into Pages to manage what appears on your site. In the Pages panel, look for the Not Linked section. This area is perfect for legal pages because it keeps the page live but out of your main navigation until you decide where to link it. Click the plus icon in Not Linked to create a new page. When the page options appear, choose the highlighted Standard Page option, then select Add Blank. Starting with a blank page gives you full control over layout and formatting. Name the page Privacy Policy. Keep the title simple. It often becomes part of the page URL, which is helpful for visitors and search engines. Open the page editor by selecting Edit. You'll see the page canvas where you can build the layout. Add a new section and choose a blank section so the page starts clean without extra design elements you don't need. Inside that section, add a block and pick the text block. This is where you'll paste your privacy policy content. After pasting, check the formatting. Use headings for major sections like data we collect, how we use information, cookies, and contact information. Break up long paragraphs for readability and use short sentences where possible. If your policy references links to forms or emails, turn those into clickable links using the built-in link tool. It's a good idea to add a latest updated date at the top so visitors know the policy is current. Squarespace generally saves as you go, but take a moment to review your spacing and typographies so it's easy to scan. Preview the page on mobile to make sure headings, lists, and links look good on smaller screens. If you pasted from a document that carried over odd styles, use the editor's clear formatting options and then reapply headings within Squarespace for consistency. For visibility, many sites add a link to this page in the footer, navigation, or checkout notices. You can do that later from your navigation settings. Finally, remember this is general guidance, not legal advice. Keep your policy accurate for your data practices and update it as your tools or regulations change. That's it. You've created a dedicated privacy policy page on Squarespace. Ready to share with your visitors.